Hey guys, welcome back to Chef Carolyn Cooks. So tonight I decided to do a quick recipe from my cookbook, the Meltin Pot, and we'll be preparing the roasted duck breast with the Mandarin pancakes. Except that I won't be actually doing the Mandarin pancake tonight. I'll be using the Lotus bun that I found in the Asian market and the frozen ones, and I'm gonna just be steaming those buns off, okay? So I'll show you how that works. So let's get to it. So let's start off with the duck breast. So I cleaned this and I marinated overnight, left it in the refrigerator, skin side up, so that the skin can dry out as much as possible. So when I sear it off and finish it off in the broiler, the skin gets more crisp because it's dried out, okay? Most of the liquid has been pulled out of it from being sitting in the refrigerator, okay? And then these will be my fixings, my toppings, and these are my frozen Lotus bun. So what I'll do with these, I'll steam these off, assemble, and I'm done. So generally I make the Mandarin pancakes, which is great, but it's evening already. I had a busy day, so I'm doing a shortcut tonight, and we'll be using these Asian buns, okay, the Lotus buns. So I'm gonna start off with searing these off on the stove top for roughly 3 minutes, skin side down, flip it over in the broiler, another 3 minutes. That's it, we're done. I'll come back to finish prepping those so you can see the process. Place this on the stove top, steam it off for 5 minutes, dinner. All right, let's go to the stove top. So I'm placing some oil in here, just like a tablespoon or so. And my duck breast marinated just with some Chinese 5-spice, some sweet cooking wine, salt. Kept it very simple, okay? So once this is heated, I need this to be really hot, and it feels like it's coming up there. I'm gonna go ahead and place this skin side down. So I have 4 duck breasts here. And as I said, the full recipe will be in the description box below. And if you notice, this part is still a bit wet, and these parts are dried out because I should have placed this in a plate so everyone would have been able to air out properly. I didn't, but you know what to do going forward, or just follow the recipe that I'll have in the description box. But it will work, okay? So I'm gonna let this sit out here for about 3 minutes. I'm looking for that nice dark skin, and then I'll turn it over. I'm gonna move this around a bit. Generally, you don't like to move your meat when you place it down, but I'm gonna move it because I want the skin to keep getting crispy. So I need it to be soaking up and frying up in its own fat as it renders. Okay, so we'll watch that, flip that, then we'll go back to the workstation, finish prepping those toppings, while this will be finishing off in the oven under the broiler. So here we go, let's check them. So this is great because that will continue to cook up for about 3 more minutes in the oven, okay, under the broiler. So that's the color I'm going for right there. Perfect. So now that I've flipped it, I'll place this in my broiler, in my oven under the broiler. So these are my Lotus bun. I have 2 layers here. I'll be placing them in this pot with a little bit of water so it can steam up, okay? So let's do this. And I'll turn this down. So while this steams up, back to the cutting board. So these are my fixings that are gonna go on my bun along with my duck, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and just julienne these, okay? So I just sliced up some carrots and some green scallion and some cucumber. But there's so many variations to this. Some people put cantaloupe, just whatever you want to put on top of it, you can. And this is for my family tonight, so it's gonna look a little rustic, uneven, but it comes down to the taste. So it's been about 2 minutes since my duck is under the broiler. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. My bun probably got like 3-4 minutes in there. Come back to these, finish them off, and I'll show you how we assemble them. I'll be back. So these are the bun, guys. See that beautiful stain? I just took it off. So these are the original Lotus bun, and these are the turmeric flavor Lotus bun. So we can leave it in there, or we can plate it up. So if we leave it in here, it'll be good, so it wouldn't dry out. It'll keep steaming. So for now, I'm gonna cover it up so it can stay warm and nice, and we get back to the duck. So here is the prep, guys. We have all our fixings ready, and we have our duck, okay? So this is our duck. Could you hear that? It's a beautiful crisp skin. So I'm gonna go ahead, slice these up, and have them ready to top off. You see that? That's what you want. Lightly pink, not overcooked. When I say juicy, oh my God, I cannot wait. It's Saturday night, hanging with the fam in this cold, windy night. So we're gonna have some fun. So I'm gonna continue to cut these up, plate them up, and come back to you, okay? All right, here we go. So here we are, guys. Roasted duck breast with Lotus bun, but of course you have the option of using the Mandarin pancakes. I'll show you how I assemble mine. So we take one of these, take the parchment off. It's so soft and fluffy. And I will take, let's start with the sauce, okay? So I have some sauce, I place it on here. And I'll take my meat, but it really doesn't matter how you choose to assemble it. I'll probably put like 2 pieces on here of the meat. And the Mandarin pancakes you will wrap up more, okay? And I'll put some cucumber, scallion, and carrots, of course. And again, as I told you, you can have variations. Now, if you want to taste more of the sauce, this is all you do. And this is it. Beautiful roast duck on Lotus bun. Ta-da! Hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This recipe is in my cookbook called the Meltin Pot. You can find it on my website at CarolynHoyte.com. There are many links there to Amazon, Walmart, Barnes & Noble. Thank you.